will be our last topic. And then by the first week of December, mag last na po na to nga exam for the finals. Okay, so we have here numerical differentiation using finite difference approximation. Okay, so for a while sa. Okay, so for introduction, okay, a number of engineering and science models are expressed in terms of rates. Examples of these rates are the relationship between position, velocity, and temperature with time. The process of differentiation gives a measure of the rate at which a quantity changes. When functions cannot be readily differentiated through analytical process, numerical differentiation has to be used. There are two approaches for calculating the numerical derivative of a given set of data. So one of the two approaches is called the finite difference approximation. So the finite difference approximation of a derivative at a point xp, so it's a point, is an approximate calculation based on the value of points in the neighborhood of xp. So there exist various difference approximation formulas. So three of these formulas are the following. You have forward, backward, and central difference formulas. Okay. So we have here the forward difference formula. Okay, so the forward difference is the slope of the line that connects point xp and fxp and point xp plus 1 and the function of xp plus 1. Okay. So if we have here our function, kaning blue line, then you have here the true derivative of the function, this line at the point xp. So in the forward difference, so slope lang gyapon ni siya, we have here from the term nga forward, so we have here xp plus 1. Okay, so you have there uh, naka-i-plus sa imuhang point xp. Then, so we have here df over dx is just equals to function of xp plus 1 kani minus the function of xp. So, mura na siya og rise and then xp plus 1 minus xp plus 1 minus xp. So, murag run. So, murag rise over run lang gyapon na siya. Okay, so that's the formula for the forward difference. Then, so we have here, this is the same. This is the forward dividend difference. Pareho na sila. So the formula here for the first derivative is the slope. So f of x I plus 1 minus f of xi over h. So h is just kani. So that's the same with xi plus 1 minus xi. Okay. So that's also called the truncated formula. Then we have here another formula. So dili lang nila to i-derive. So this is a more accurate nga formula for the forward dividend difference. Okay, then we have here a second derivative. So this is a formula for the second derivative. So this is also the truncated formula for the second derivative. And this one is another formula for the second derivative, which is more accurate nga formula. Okay, so dili lang nato na ipang-derive. And kanina pod ako ang i-introduce or ipagamit ninyo. So anyway, mag-differ naman po di siya. Naman po sa ato example later. I will show it sa example. Mas duol imuhang step or kanang plus or minus nimo sa xi. So mas accurate man sad imuhang makuha. Just like if magamit ka aning more accurate nga formulas. Okay. So let's proceed to the next one, the backward difference. Okay, so we have here the backward difference is the slope of the line that connects point f connects point x p minus 1 and f of xp minus 1 and xp and the function of xp. So df over dx is equals to f of xp minus f of xp minus 1 over xp minus 1. So from the term nga backward, ani na punta sa xp minus 1. So we have a step nga i-minus na to sa ato ang point xp. So xp minus 1. So the formula here, xp, a function of xp, xp minus xp minus 1. So that's for the backward. So the backward dividend difference. So the same with the forward. Napod siya formula here. The first derivative na formula. The derivative, which is said to be more accurate, and formula for the second derivative. So truncated formula, and another going to use the truncated formula. Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. So this is the central difference. So the central difference is the slope of the line that connects point xp minus 1 and the function of xp minus 1 and point xp plus 1 and the function of xp plus 1. So df over dx equals to the function of xp plus 1 minus the function of xp minus 1 over xp plus 1 minus xp minus 1. So we have the figure, same figure from the forward difference and backward difference. Pero sa central difference, we are going to have this p minus 1. Sila itong i-connect. So again, for the formula, that is the function of xp plus 1 minus the function of xp minus 1 over xp plus 1 minus xp minus 1. So that's for the central difference or centered difference. The previous, we have here formulas. This is the formula for the CDD or centered dividend difference. That's the same with ani. That's the same. Then another formula for the first derivative and a truncated formula for the second derivative and another formula for the second derivative, which is a more accurate formula. Okay, so that's for the center dividend difference. So those are the three. So these are the three formulas for the finite difference approximation. Okay, so next for the algorithm. So the algorithm for this, So the algorithm below shows the process in approximating the derivative of a function using forward, backward, and central finite difference approximation. So first you start, then second, you input the function to be derived. Then third, you input the value of the abscissa where the derivative of the function is to be solved. And then fourth, approximate the derivative using the forward finite difference approximation formula. So this is the formula for the forward. So that's formula for FDD is function of xp plus 1 minus function of xp over xp plus 1 minus xp. Then approximate the derivative using the backward finite difference approximation formula. So we have the formula for the BDD. So f of xp minus f of xp minus 1 over xp minus xp minus 1. Then approximate the derivative using the central finite difference approximation formula. So our formula for the CDD, f of xp plus 1 minus f of xp minus 1 over xp plus 1 minus xp minus 1. Then, so ika-7, analytically differentiate the function for comparison with the results in steps 4, 5, and 6. And then end. Okay, so we will have here an example for this numerical differentiation. Okay, so finite dividend difference approximation of derivatives. So the problem statement here. So use the forward and backward difference approximation of OH. So that's just the function. And a center difference approximation of OH squared to estimate the first derivative of. So we have here the function negative 0.1 x to the power of 4 minus 0.15x cubed minus 0.5x squared minus 0.25x plus 1.25. So at x is equals to zero point 0.5 using a step size of zero point 0.5, repeat the computation using h of 0.25. Note that the derivative can be calculated directly as, okay, so h, that's the step size. So mo na siyang imong i-plus or i-minus sa imuhang x. So we can calculate the derivative directly as f prime of x. First derivative is negative 0.4x cubed minus 0.45x squared minus 1x minus 0.25. Okay. So, and can be used to compute the true value of the f prime of x. So, our x is zero point 0.5. So, f prime of x is negative 0.9125. Okay. So, so this is the process for the finite dividend difference. So, for h of zero point 0.5, that's our step, the function can be employed to determine, sige ma'am. Okay, so your x minus 1. So from our x na zero point 0.5, minus na to sa step na zero point 0.5. So our x minus 1 is 0. Then our xi is the zero point 0.5 and your xi plus 1. So from our x na zero point 0.5 plus the step na zero point 0.5, our xi plus 1 is 1. So using these values of x formula, kaning f of x, okay, using this x, there is a f of x. So you have here f of x minus 1, 1.2, f of xi, so 0.925, and f of xi plus 1 is 0.2. Okay, so these values can be used to compute the forward dividend difference. So we have here the f prime of x. So forward dividend difference. So that's the f of x I plus 1. So it's 0.2 minus the f of xi. So it's 0.925 over xi plus 1. That's 1 minus xi 0.5. So you have 0.5 sa denominator. So that's equals to negative 1.45. Then the absolute error for this value is 58.9%. That is just kani imuhang na-solve minus the true value of the derivative over your calculated derivative. So that's the error. Okay. I will show this again in Excel form, kani nga example. Then, so for the backward dividend difference, so our f prime of x, that's equals to your f of xi, 0.925 minus the f of xi minus 1, is 1.2, over the f of, I mean the xi, 0.5 minus xi minus 1. So it's 0.5. Okay, so equals negative 0.55. And the error, 39.7%. And for the center dividend difference, so our f prime of x is the f of xi plus 1, 0.2, minus the f of xi minus 1, 1.2, over the xi plus 1, 1, minus the xi minus 1, 0. So that's 1. So this is equals to negative 1. And the error is 9.6%. Okay. Now you will notice here atong gigamyan ato ang step. So it is half sa atong gamit previous nga 0.5. So now if we are going to have our step as 0.25, so that's half. Okay, so we'll notice the difference nga mas duol, mas gagmay ang error. So here for the step nga 0.25, so our xi minus 1 is from our x nga 0.5 minus 0.25, so that's 0.25. And our xi plus 1 is 0.5 plus 0.25, so 0.75. So our f of xi plus 1, so substitute these values of x dire sa atong formula ng f of x. So our f of xi minus 1 is 1.1035153. Our f of xi is still 0.925, and f of xi plus 1 is 0.63632813. Okay, so same process sa previous. So which can be used to compute the forward dividend difference. So f of x, okay, is f of x I plus 1, this value, minus the f of xi over the f of, I mean the xi plus 1, 0.75 minus xi nga 0.5. So that's 0.25. So it's equals to negative 1.155. So the error for this derivative is 26.5%. Okay, so mas lesser siya sa ato ang forward dividend difference. Sa atong FDD nga ang step is 0.5. So mas lower ang error. Then the backward dividend difference, or BDD. So f prime of x is xi minus 1. So this is the numerator over xi minus x minus xi minus 1. So this is 0.25. So it is negative 0.714. And the error is 21.7%. Okay, so mas lower gyapon siya compared diri where ato ang step is 0.5. Then the CDD, the centered dividend difference. is f prime of x is equals to the f of xi plus 1 minus f of xi minus 1 over xi plus 1 minus xi minus 1. So this is the equations. So you have negative 0.934. And the error, so gamay ra atong error dire, it's 2.4%. Okay, so mas gamay siya compare sa ato ang gigamit dire where our step is higher. So for both step sizes, the center difference approximation is more accurate than forward or backward difference. Okay? So for step nga 0.5, mas gamay atong error dire sa centered, and for step nga 0.25 atong error pod sa centered sa CDD is mas gamay. So also, as predicted by the Taylor series analysis, having the step size approximately halves the error of the backward and forward differences, and quarters the error of the centered differences. So that's according to the Taylor series analysis. Okay, so approximately, ato ang error diri sa FDD, na half siya when we half the step. Then, okay, kana 39, nahiman lang 21, 58, nahiman lang 26. And the quarter, the error of the CDD. So, ang atong CDD, ang iyang error when we half the steps is approximately quarter. So, that's for this example. So, this is just the same or almost the same lang nga example where ang dili lang is we're going to use the kani nga formula, the said to the more accurate nga formula. Okay, so if we try to use that, for this example lang ato lang ipakita sa example. Okay, but dili siya require nga kanatong gamiton. So depende lang sa ito ang goal sa problem. Okay. So this is the same lang. This is the equation. So this is our f prime of x. So at xi equals, this is 0.5 dapat. Xi is 0.5. So at xi nga 0.5, so we have here the value of f prime of x. So it's the actual derivative. Then you have here the formulas. Okay, so the same lang atong nakuha using the xi plus 1 from the previous nga example. So it's the xi plus 1, 1, and the f of xi plus 1. So this is f prime of x. That's the FDD ha from dire. Using the step na 0.5. Kani. Okay, this is the same. Ana. Then, so dire, so if we're going to use the kani nga formula for the f prime of xi. Okay, so mo ni siya. Kani, this is the xi plus 1. Okay. This is xi minus 1. Then this one, okay. So for this formula, if we are going to use this, okay, kaning ikaduha. So if we're going to use this, we need xi plus 2. So that is just from our x na 0.5 plus 2 times sa atong step. So 2 times of 0.25. This is 0. Wait lang, 0, sakto de. H is 0.25 dire. Okay, so if we're going to use the 0.25, 2 times, so our step is now 1. So our xi plus 2 is 1. So the f of xi plus 2 is 0.2. Using the itong f of x, and then our xi plus 2 is 1. So f of xi plus 2 is 0.2. So using this formula, we have negative f of xi plus 2 is negative 0.2 plus 4 times the f of xi plus 1. F of xi plus 1 here is 0.6363 minus 3 times f of xi. So 3 times the f of xi is 0.925 over 2 times h. So 2 times our h here is the 0.25. So you have here the f prime of x using this formula na negative 0.8596. Okay. So comparing that sa truncated, this is closer to the actual derivative. Okay, so compare ng duha. Okay. Then using the BDD, so the formula for this is the same step for the BDD using the step na 0.5, and then this is the same for sa previous nga itong gibuhat using the step na 0.25. These are our values. Then if we're going to use this more accurate formula, so we need the xi minus 2. So we have 0.5 minus 2 times 0.25. So that's equals to 1. So our f of xi minus 2 is 1.2. Okay, so using this formula in the BDD, so that's 3 times f of xi. So this are f of xi, 0.925 minus 4 times f of xi minus 1. So f of xi minus 1 is here, 1.1035 plus the f of xi minus 2. So it's 1.2 over 2 times h. So we have here negative 0.8786. So compare that to the truncated lang na formula for the f prime of x. It's more closer to the accurate derivative. Okay. And also for the CDD. So using the same process for the CDD, centered dividend difference. Okay, so this is for the step na 0.5. This is for the step na 0.25. Okay, so again, to use this formula, we need to solve for the xi plus 2. So, and also the xi minus 2. So we have here the value of xi plus 2. We add 2 times the step and we subtract 2 times of the step. So we're using the step nga 0.25. So we have our xi plus 2 nga 1 and xi minus 2 is also 1. Ay, wait lang. 0. But 0 na siya. Okay, so just correct this. So you have here the f of xi plus 2 and f of xi minus 2. Then, so you have the f prime of xi using this formula for the CDD. So you substitute lang ang mga values. You get negative 0.9125. So this is closer to the actual derivative compared to the truncated nga formula. Okay, so that's closer. The actual derivative is 0 uh 0.925. 0.925 ba? Okay, go back sa. Another day. The actual derivative is negative 0.9125. Okay, so this is the closest to the actual derivative. So this is the CDD using the more accurate na formula. Okay. So, but then again, if we use mas closer nga step, we'll still arrive at the accurate na derivative if we use a closer step. Okay, so before we proceed sa activity, so I will show sa Excel, okay, using this formula lang gihapon. Ay, kaning example. Okay, this example, so showing this in Excel. Okay. Okay, so we have here our Excel. So we have from the example lang gyapon adto sa PowerPoint. So numerical differentiation using finite difference approximation. Okay, so our f of x, this is our f of x given equation. And then the f prime of x, so we can calculate the f prime of x. So this is our f prime of x. Okay, from the given f of x. So the step RXP is gingon sa problem nga 0.5. And that's, I mean, our value of x, our point is 0.5. So the value of f prime of x using xp is, so this is the accurate derivative for the equation. It's the accurate derivative of the equation. Okay, and then, so we have here, gi-tabulate lang na ho for it to be easier. So we have two steps. Okay, this is our step. We have using step na 0.5 and using step na 0.25. So for the x of p plus 1, so our x here using the step na 0.5, so that's 0.5 plus our step na 0.5. And then we have our x na just the 0.5. And then here for the x p minus 1, so our x is the 0.5 minus atong step na 0.5. And then here sa step na 0.25, so this is our x for xp plus 1, 0.5 plus 0.25. Our x is 0.5. And xp minus 1, 0.5 minus 0.25. Okay. So if you substitute this x values sa ato ang equation given f of x, so this is what we get na value of f of x. That's for the x p plus 1 using step na 0.5. And this is for the step na 0.25. Or f of x, same lang yapon na sila. This is our f of x sa x p minus 1 using step na 0.5. And this is for the step na 0.25. And this is our value. Okay. Then kaning third na row, so I'll just reserve na nako to show later how we can get closer to the actual derivative if atong step is lower. Okay. So nahala na. So for the approximation, so we have here the step or h. This is the h. So A lang akong nagamit sometimes. So That's the H. So same run. This is the H for the step. Okay, that is the H. Okay. So using the formula for the FDD, oh, that is f of x in p plus 1 minus the f of xp over x in p plus 1 and x in p. So, katong ato ang step is 0.5. So, this is the value of f prime of x. So, parehara na sa katong solution ganiha. So, the error, that's the absolute value of the actual derivative minus the calculated na to nga f prime of x using FDD over the actual derivative. Okay? Or pwede siya mabalik since absolute value man eh. So we have the error, 58.9041%. And then using the step na 0.25, so kani ng mga values. So using the formula for FDD, okay, so that is f of xp plus 1 minus f of xp over xp plus 1 minus xp. So this is our value in the step. So the error, so it is absolute value of the accurate derivative minus the calculated derivative over the accurate derivative. So you can see that the error is almost half. So when we half the step, the error is almost half. So using the backward finite difference or the BDD. So same lang na process using the formula for the BDD. So for the step na 0.5, so we have f of xp minus f of xp minus 1 over xp minus xp minus 1. Okay, so we have the value here, the error for this. Okay, so that's the absolute value. So for the step na 0.25, so we have here f of xp minus f of xp minus 1 over xp minus xp minus 1. And the error. Okay, so the error. Okay, so again, it's almost half when we have the step. For the same with the FDD and the BDD. And then for the central difference, CDD, so using the step 0.5, so we have here f of x I plus 1 minus f of x p plus p minus 1. Okay, and over f of xp plus 1, I mean xp plus 1 din minus xp minus 1. Okay, so this is our value. Okay, and then the error. Okay, so this is the error. And then for the step 0.25, okay, so this is f of xp plus 1 minus f of xp minus 1 over xp plus 1 minus xp minus 1. Okay, so that's our value and the error for that. Okay. So the error. So, okay, so from her handout, so the error when we have the step sa CDD is almost quarter sa atong previous error. So almost nag-quarter siya. So comparing the results, So comparing the overall results, the central finite difference approximation is more accurate or approximately closer to zero than the forward and backward differences. So thus, the value of f prime of x for the step of 0.5 and the step of 0.25 are negative 1 and negative 0.934375 respectively. Okay. So, but this is the more accurate. It's nearer to our exact f prime of x. Okay, so this one. So if we try, so kani i-program na siya daan the same with the previous. Okay, the same with the previous. So if I will change this h, if ang step is say 0.1, okay, so if ang step is 0.1, okay, so we have here the values. Okay, so ato ang value half sa 0.25, 0.1. So this is mas gamay pa gyud siya nga step. Okay, so mas at have there. So the error dire using the CDD mas duol na gyud siya sa 0. Okay, this is the values, the f prime of x or the derivative. Okay, then how about if I use a step of 0.001? Okay, so using the step na 0.001, okay, so you will notice na the derivative. It's the process for the numerical differentiation using the finite difference approximation. Okay, so for your, so we have here your activity. Numerical differentiation using the finite difference approximation. So use any programming tool, Microsoft Excel, MATLAB, Python, etc. to approximate the derivative of, you are given a function. Okay, so nanagyatag na function. So x, okay, so that's your function. At xp, so your point is at pi over 3, point use forward, backward, and central finite difference approximation. So again, A is the differential distance from xp, or that is your step nga given naman ang inyong activities, the same format, okay, the same format mga katong contents, the inyong gamiton nga problem statement. Okay, this is your problem statement. Okay, so that's for the numerical differentiation. Then I will upload this handout after our meeting today. Okay, no question for okay lah. So that's your activity for this week. And next week we're going to discuss numerical integration and also another activity. So that's the last activity and our last for the topic. And then on the first week of December, mag-quiz quiz 2 on those two topics, numerical differentiation and numerical integration on the first week of December. And second week, so that's the finals na. Mana ang SEM. Dalira kayo. Sige. So no more wala questions or concern. So before we end our meeting, so please turn on your cameras. Okay, so please turn on. Okay. I'll take a screenshot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Another 1, 2, 3. Okay. So thank you for attending today's meeting. Okay, so if there are no questions or concern, okay, we can end our meeting. We can leave our Google Meet.
Thank you, ma'am.